video, I wanted to share with you guys how I detangle my hair every day in the morning. It was highly requested by you guys. If you have really long hair, you would know how hard it is to detangle your hair because the ends keep getting tangled. So yes, if you guys want to know how I detangle my hair every day in the morning, it takes like 2 to 3 minutes, that's it. So yes, let's get started. I know my hair is all over the place, that's because I haven't taken down my hair since I woke up. So normally at night I would either braid my hair and go to sleep, or at times if I am lazy, which I am on most days, I would just leave my hair open. Whether I leave it on braids or whether I leave it open, there are going to be tangles in the morning for sure. I'm getting ready, I'll take my hair down like that. And this is what my hair would look like. Once I take my hair down, I'll just part my hair onto both the sides. So after splitting my hair onto both the sides, I will just check if my hair is way too dry or oily or what it is. And if it's dry, which it mostly will be, at the ends it mostly gets really dry, I will either use something like this, which is an oiling cream. Both Pantene and Garnier has same kind of product. I'll use a small size of this one, or I would go for my serum. This one is the Innisfree Camellia oil. Take 1 pump of it. That's it. I don't add a lot of serum early in the morning onto my hair because my hair, and I also don't add serum this part because you guys can see it's pretty oily. So I'm going to spread it onto my hair. This step really makes it easy to kind of detangle your hair rather than detangling dry and brittle hair. Once I've applied it onto my hair, I will start running my fingers through my hair to check for any tangles, and if there are any tangles, I will split them using my fingers. So I'll start off with the ends, always with the ends and never from the root, guys, because you are going to collect all the tangles from roots till the ends, because all of these tangles are going to come to the end and it's going to be very hard. So you start small from the ends. I'm just going to do that. So now I'm done with both the sides of my hair, and you guys can see that it's much more cleaned than it was before. My fingers can't do much, but my fingers are much more gentle than a comb. That's why I first choose my fingers, and now I'm going to be using a white tooth comb. I've never used a brush or a detangler for detangling my hair. I don't know, just the thought that so many bristles are gonna get tangled into my hair, which is already tangled, kind of freaks me out. So I never use a brush or a detangler, but this is what I prefer. I normally use a white tooth comb like this and start off by taking my hair, the ends, and then I'll slowly run the comb through it, slowly making sure I don't break my hair. Not many tangles, so I'm just going to work my way up and slowly till the roots. There are not much tangles because I've already detangled my hair using my fingers. There you go. Both the sides are tangle free right now, and now I'm just going to apply a little bit of serum. So normally I use 2 pumps of serum every day in the morning onto the middlings and the ends of my hair, because they are the parts that gets dried out really fast, because the natural serum doesn't get to go all the way down to your ends, especially for people who have long hair like me. I'll just use this one this time, just for a change. I'm gonna take a little bit, like that much, not more than that. I'll spread it between my palms, apply it on to the ends. And the smell is really amazing, and it stays on your hair for a long time, which is something that I like about it. But the effect, I'm not a big fan, but it's okay. Once I've applied that onto the ends and middlings of my hair, I'm going to take my paddle brush. I bought it from Amazon. I'll put the links to all the products that I'm using down in the description box. You guys can check that out. So I'm gonna take my ends again. I'm gonna start brushing. This helps spreading the serum or whatever I've applied onto my hair, and it also helps tame down most of the frizz on my hair, And the paddle brush, after I discovered it, guys, it does an amazing job in making your hair look sleek and pretty. With that, I have detangled my hair, and that is what my hair looks like when it's steamed down. Since I have been talking you guys through the whole thing, it took about 5 to 10 minutes, I think. But honestly, when I'm doing it out by myself, all of these steps, it's like just 2 to 3 steps, and it takes nearly 2 minutes to 3 minutes and not more than that. Maybe because it's pretty long, but otherwise I don't think. That's it with the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful for at least some of you guys. If it was, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you for watching once again, guys. I love you all. Bye.